New York City, well, scratch that, Brooklyn, New York, 2010, December 26th, snowstorm. People are still walking outside. It's cold, snowing. Cars are moving really slow. Snow is everywhere, and I still don't understand why they wanted to move back to New York. I still don't understand. If it was up to me, we'll still be in Florida. Like, for real, we would still be in Florida. But no, the pizza guy has to walk today. He can't ride his bike. Sucks to be him. People are just like battling the snow, like they're just doing it, you know. I don't care if I was born here, bro, but this sucks. This really sucks. Look at it. Snow everywhere, bro. And this took like no time, bro. First, snow wasn't even sticking. All of a sudden it gets mad, like, heavy outside. Snow starts sticking everywhere, yo. Like, mad thick. Bro, if I was in Florida right now, I'd be at the beach. Like, dead ass. Like, for real. Like, and it makes you wonder, like, where do the birds go? Like, where do the pigeons go? No wonder they fly down south for the winter, bro. Like, look at this. It's ridiculous. Old lady across the street have to walk in the snow. There's no crosswalk anymore. There's no, like, lines in the street. Like, it's just snow. Like, for real.